On today's video, we're going to be working on the stove, and we're going to be doing a simple project. We're just going to be installing the anti-tip bracket that goes to the back of the stove. Now what this does, it allows the stove to remain in place. So what happens is, a lot of times children will open the door, and once they open the door, they will try, for whatever reason, to end up leaning on the door right here, and this will cause the stove to actually fall over. If you go online, you'll see many reports where the stove is in use. They have pots up here cooking. The child will open the door, put pressure on the front of the door, and everything that's on the stove, because there's no anti-tip bracket in the back, will actually fall on the child and cause severe burns. It's fairly simple to attach. You have two options right here. You have holes here at the bottom, which will allow you to secure directly to the floor. Here we have holes in the back, which allows you to go directly into the stud or the beam that's on the bottom of the floor. And here with my measuring tape, I have a measuring tape to the side of the stove, and I'm going to look at the center, and at the center of the feet, we're at 2¼ inches. Here I have my measurements. Going to secure my screws to the stud behind the wall. Once you secure it, you just want to make sure that you have enough space in between the feet for the actual bracket to slide through. So for instance here, you can see I put the feet all the way in. My bracket will not have enough play to slide through. You can see here, there's a little space. So you want to adjust the foot just to give you enough so that you can slide inside. Once you finish, go ahead and slide your stove back, and you'll want to pull on the back. You can see I'm not able to push the stove and the oven forward. This video was a help. If it was informational, please subscribe.